to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm SharronReneé. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing this style, these kinky long passion goddess type twists. So if you want to see how to get the style, just keep on watching. Okay, so what you're going to need, some kinky hair. This is very, very long. How many inches is this? 30? Yes, 30 inches. Very long. Then you're going to need some curly hair. This is 24 inches. Yes. So, you're also going to need a crochet needle, a comb, some rubber bands. I have mine in coconut oil. And yeah, we're just going to be working with this little section right here. We're going to part that in half. My parts are not really straight at all. Your parts don't have to be either. This is not really intended to be like super neat and messy. Like, it don't take that long to do. It's really quick, and it's not meant to be, I said super neat and messy. It's not meant to be like super neat and together. It's meant to be just like free flowing and whatever. Like, if your new growth starts to pop out, it's fine. It's all intended, right? So that's the vibe that we going for. So with the parting, like, my parting is not super straight at all. I literally just part that thing and go. Because like I said, I really don't want it. I don't like neat hairstyles because once they look old, they look real old. Okay, so I had to voice over this part, but I am grabbing the rubber bands. I had already washed my hair, conditioned it, all of that stuff. Put oil, all of that. I had detangled it, but it got back tangled, so I'm just finger detangling it now. And we are gonna just put the hair into a little ponytail. And I did not do it super tight because I wanted the roots to look a little bit new growth-ish, because my hair really matches this kinky texture very well. So I didn't want it to look too smooth in the root. But now I'm going to just do a twist, and I feel like this really, really helps to protect my hair because my hair is twisted in the twist, if that makes sense. So it's just like extra protection. So I love doing that. But yeah, so I'm just going to twist that, twirl the ends, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other portion. I did add a little bit of edge control to the front just because, you know, that is the start of my hairline, just to like smooth my edges out a little bit. And I'm going to, like I said, do the same thing, add the rubber band, making sure to make it not too tight. Also too, because the crochet hair has to come inside, so you don't want to make it too tight because then it's going to be hard to get the crochet hair in it because it is kind of thick. But yeah, twisting that down, and like I said, I had already added oil and all of that to my hair. And then we are gonna grab the hair. This is Cuban twist hair, and the other hair is just a Lulu tress passion twist, and I just unraveled it and used it as like the curly hair. I don't know, it just was super simple and quick. But yeah, taking a latch hook, making sure it's open, pushing it through, grabbing the hair, twisting it very, very tight so it could fit on the latch hook, closing the latch hook, pulling it back through, and then we are only going to pull one side through. Now with all of the other twists, I used 2 pieces of hair, but for the ones in the front, since I didn't want them to be OD thick, I only used 1.5. So I'm making sure to wrap my hair kind of like inside. Tuck my hair inside of like the Cuban twist hair. Now we're gonna add on a little half of the second piece and then just literally twist that in. This is so simple, y'all, and it's so quick. This took me 3 hours, like super quick, super simple. But I'm making sure that I tuck my hair just so that it doesn't poke out or like pop out later on down the line. So making sure that it's tucked really, really good and twisting nice and tightly. I did twist it tight because it's gonna loosen up once I let it go, so you don't have to like twist it loose, because if you twist it loose and then let it go, it's gonna unravel even more. So I would say twist it tight, so that way when it unravels, it's still, you know, kind of tightly twisted and your hair not gonna come out. So once I get to the end, I'm going to add some curly hair, the passion twist. Like I said, I just unraveled it and cut it in half. So and I used 3 packs of the Cuban twist hair and about 2 packs of the Lulu tress 24-inch hair. So now I'm adding it in, right? I'm making sure that I added it at the right time time, because if I add it in too high up on a twist, we not gonna have no curly hair left over. So we gotta add it at the right spot so we have more curly hair left over after the kinky hair is done up, so that way we got only curly hair at the end and it look all cute. So yeah, literally all you do to add the curly hair in is just twist and go. Twist, then twist. Twist, then twist. Twist, then twist. That's all you do. And then I kind of made the curly hair like one side longer than the other, so that way I could, you know, wrap the curly hair around the other piece and it just turned into one curl at the end opposed to a twist. Does that make sense? So instead of it being a twist at the end, it's a curl because I made the curly hair uneven. So now we're gonna do that one more time, so you know all of my bad speech can be like clarified. Opening the latch hook, putting it through, twisting the hair very, very tight, putting it on the latch hook, closing it, and then pulling it back through, making sure to pull only one side through. Now remember, we are going to use a piece of the Cuban twist hair and a half. So I also too always make sure to like kind of comb the, well not comb, but separate the ends so it's not all hard and brittle, because you know them ends of that Marley and Cuban twist hair be real burnt together. And so I also made sure to like measure it out, to make sure it was even. So now we add in that second piece, and like I said, you put the hair in, you hold one side, you twist it, and then you twist it around, and then you hold the other side and twist the other side so it's locked in. And like I told y'all, I am also kind of tucking my hair into the Cuban twist hair and twisting so it's, you know, nicely hidden and tucked away. And it's been a week already and I have no hair popping out or anything like that. Like, this is super quick and super simple, and that's why I love it so much. I did something similar to this, but it was more curly hair at the top. Anyway, so yeah, just twisting down is a simple twist, and then we are gonna add the curly hair, and I'm gonna explain like that adding method again to like the twist. So you add the curly hair, make sure, I forgot to cut that, but make sure when you add the curly hair, you add it at the right spot so it's way more curly hair left over than kinky hair left in the twist. So you add it in, and then you literally hold one side of the twist and then twist the hair together on the other side, then twist it both together, and then hold the other side that you already twisted and then twist the other side tight around the hair and then twist it again. Does that make sense? So you twisting one side, then twisting them both together, then twisting the other side, then twisting them both together, and that's how you get the hair to like link in without like it coming out, because it's binded to like both sides. And that's it. Okay, y'all, so that is it. Super quick, super simple. Drop that in the comments and let me know what you think. Like, will you try it? Do you like it? Is it too long? What's tea? Talk to me. And give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch you on my next one. Peace and blessings.